Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Please forgive my looks. I'm just a young girl that just woke up from sleep, okay? If you are new here, hi, my name is Precious and I'm a Nigerian based YouTuber living in Abia State and schooling at Abia State University. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch me on this channel. I really hope you subscribe if you like my type of content. And to my returning subscribers, oh my god, my OGs, I love you all so much. Thank you for stopping by once again to watch me on this channel. I appreciate you for the love and support. God bless you for me. God bless you for me. God bless you for me. All right, you guys, it's a beautiful Saturday morning over here and I'm so lonely. I am so lonely. Which kind of voice? But just know that I'm so lonely and I'm kind of bored. My brother traveled and I practically planned to spend the whole day alone. And I was like, you know what? Instead of just sulking and whining and being all bored all alone, I just remembered that I have a family on here, okay? I have people that love me on here, and then I decided that I'd rather spend my day with you guys than spend it alone. So if today is boring, you'll be bored with me. If today gets exciting along the way, you get excited with me too. So guys, we are going to be doing today together, the whole of today, everything I do today. And right now, I'm about to go and poo. Yes, I'm a human being. I'm a woman. I need to poo. I need to defecate. So right now, I'll go and poo, and then
You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love.
the water in this lodge is so brown. It has stained this Bella. The Bella is now brown. I don't know what's making the water so brown. No, I don't just have an idea.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now.
Hi guys, hello my darlings, my sweethearts, my sugars. I hope you guys have been enjoying the morning with me. I have been enjoying showing you guys everything I've been doing since morning. Right now I'm hungry and I'm about to go and make breakfast. Yeah, this bed here is my brother's bed. He's not around, so his bed is not laid. So where did he go to? He traveled home. Yes, he traveled home to go and get food stuff. Our mouth is dry like sand on the desert.
Our mouth is dry like sand on the desert. There's no money on ground.
There's no money on ground. We are hungry and our food stuff has exhausted. So he went home to go and get some food stuff and some toiletries. Yeah, because buying things here in school, expensive, very expensive.
Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Oh my god, you guys, breakfast has been suspended. My milk has finished and I did not know. I did not have milk again. So no more tea. I can't drink tea anymore. I am devastated because I dreamt about this meal, bread and tea with peanut butter, but now I have to look for a substitute, and I'm guessing that will be Fanta because my neighbor sells drinks, so I'll just go to her room and buy Fanta. And you guys, I'm done with breakfast. Yeah, this is what I'll call it, breakfast. So it's time for me to do a few chores. I already mopped my room yesterday, so I'll just sweep it and then disinfect the toilet. And I'm so happy now. I'm full. You guys, my broom has been broken for the longest time now. It's like no balance. I know. Instead of me to go and use my pocket money and buy a new broom, I'm waiting for my brother to come back so that he will bring a new broom because I don't want to use my pocket money and buy broom. So I'm just telling you people now because we are about to sweep with this. This is what I've been using and this is what I've been managing. And so let's go and sweep together with this, okay? Hi guys, I'm done taking my bath. You like my shirt? Food lover, all of you that always come into the comment section to say there's no vlog she will not upload without eating. I am now representing with my food chest. Food lover, make you the same. I love food, okay? So guys, I'm about to eat. Eat, girl. I'm about to read. I'm about to study for a while, so you have to give me some time off so that I can study. I'll probably see you in about an hour and 30 minutes, okay? So take care. You guys, I didn't even know it has started raining. I didn't know it has started raining. The rain beat some of my clothes, but at least I got there not too late, so I could rescue my clothes. I don't run today. I don't tire. So fortunately for me, the rain actually doesn't get to my backyard whenever it just rains mildly like this. It doesn't get to my backyard. It doesn't touch my clothes that are here. sweethearts. Oh my god, you guys, it's already past 6. It's almost 6:30. I didn't even realize that time has gone so much. So I'll just make a small withdrawal, and then I'll buy plantains and buy eggs, buy tomatoes, and come and fix up something that I'll eat tonight and tomorrow morning. So you guys, our day is gradually coming to an end. Thank you so much for keeping me company. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you a lot. Alright guys, let's go up gate. If I can vlog, I will. You know me now. If I can vlog, I will. So let's just go. Woo! Food lover representing. Food lover representing. I want to go and buy food because now who they chop, they read. Now who they chop, they read. This is the towel that I brought in from outside that was still wet, so I had to spread it on this chair. And my books are still here. So guys, let's go. Please don't mind me, don't mind me. Don't mind me. Time don't they go. I beg, look at it go.
Pretty much. Let's go to a man, wasn't he?
I didn't see your updates now for Starus. I bought tomato 300 naira. Ebubedike 300 naira. This country alala. This country alala. Then I bought thyme and curry. 2 onions 50 naira. 1, 2 50 naira. Egg 50 naira each. Mevina 50 naira. The curry and the thyme 50 naira. Sure, I said it. Then 200 naira. From puro plantain ato 200. Do you still say that Nigeria have hope? 200 naira. Then I bought it too. What's this one that is hanging? Is it a jara? This one, is it a jara? It's in Chuang. I did not ask people for Chuang Biko. Then 15 naira pepper ko. 100 naira pepper na him be this. 100 naira pepper na drop. Look at it. My waterproof are empty. So let me take these things to the kitchen and just wipe up this table. It's all what? It's all over. It's all. I'll see you guys in the kitchen, okay? my loves. You guys, it's already past 12, so it's officially the next day, and I'm just trying to round up with what I did not finish in the afternoon. I don't want to bore you guys with that, so I've just come to say thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Thank you for spending the day with me. Thank you for watching up until this point. I really appreciate you a lot. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And don't forget to like this video and comment, and also share with your friends, okay?